This could make DeFi great again on Luna Classic. And with the price where it's at, literally at the bottom of the Luna dump, we could easily see a nice 3 to 5x pump, Bitcoin and crypto allowing. Hi guys, it's Rocko here. Welcome back to the channel. If you enjoy the content, guys, do hit that like button and subscribe and comment below Luna Classic to $1. Luna Classic is a scam. I hate Rocko. It really helps the channel out and pushes this content to potentially new investors, bringing new money into this chain. The main topic I'll cover in this video is USDC on Terra Classic. Currently, guys, we're dependent on centralized exchanges. There's lots of slippage. It stops from bigger whales to come in and buy Luna Classic and this project. So having USDC on chain, putting money to use from our community pool rather than just giving up to stakers and validators to dump on us, and actually trying to make something happen is really important. I'll cover this in a lot more detail, but this is going to help DeFi, increase liquidity, support decentralized exchanges, allow whales to buy in, increase liquidity for meme coins. It's got lots of benefits. I'll go through this proposal. Currently, this proposal is passing, so it's big news, guys. As always, guys, I'll be talking about juries, sharing with you latest news for Luna Classic, show you guys meme coins. So make sure you watch the video till the end. If you want to support me, guys, go buy some juries. You know, myself, LL, and Frag are building this protocol. Testnet should be going live in the next few months. If you want to support me even more, go bet on Terra Casino. It's our chain casino. They're one of the biggest banners of Luna Classic, and they also support community growth, like through poker tournaments, doing giveaways. So if you haven't already used Terra Casino, I've left the links below for you guys to join. So guys, let's get started with the video, and I'm gonna start off with the proposal. So it looks like it's passing. All the major validators are supporting it. And guys, if you're validating with someone that doesn't support, and I'm not saying, you know, if they support what I'm trying to do, I'll share with you my thoughts on it and I'll let you guys decide. But if your validator is not voting how you want the chain to go, change validator, right? Make your own decision. You know, this is a decentralized community. We all have to work together. But yeah, check how your validator is voting. You all investors have a big part to play in making Luna Classic great again. Like I've said, even if you're just someone watching this video, a like, a simple thumbs up comment can really help the channel. And if this video comes in front of one investor and, you know, he puts in $100, $1,000, and, you know, brings in his friends, I would say my making this YouTube content is a success, and you can help with that. So yeah, make sure you guys play your part in it as well. This is how a decentralized, fully decentralized community chain can work. I know there's difficulties, but that is also our uniqueness that could potentially, you know, help us become, you know, the title of the video, like make Luna Classic DeFi great again. So Frags starts off talking about the fragmentation, how a higher slippage, centralized risk. We're having to use centralized exchanges to you know, for stablecoin conversions. Introducing this USDC and Lunc will allow market depth and liquidity. You know, matching Binance 2% market depth, which is huge. Providing DeFi utility, increase, you know, a stable Lunc pair enables lending, borrowing, yield farming applications. So this is my biggest reason why I support this proposal, because I get a lot of complaints on YouTube. We're just talking on Luna Classic, we're not doing anything. But guys, we are trying to do something. So support this. Like I said, if you're supporting a validator that is not supporting this proposal, then, you know, maybe have a think, go read this proposal yourself. And if you support this, again, I'm not saying this is going to make Lunc to $1, but at least we're trying to do something. We're trying to make something work. So I hope it's a success. But that's the main positive I'm looking forward to, and it will also help jurists, you know, bring more utility, bring more on-chain volume, and having a USDC pair. Every big chain that we aspire to be have this. Why don't we have it on Luna Classic? So reducing dependencies on sexes, creating arbitrage opportunities. Again, this is going to increase on-chain volume. Supporting existing dexes, injecting liquidity into dexes helps this platform increase their trading volume. Putting community funds to work. So I've said this before, up until now, community funds have been sitting dormant. You know, we're just paying with the Oracle pool, just playing validators and people, stakers, but we want to actually use that for some good, right? We want to make sure that we use the funds that we've got, the little funds that we've got, for a positive use, so that, you know, investors, bigger whales that we want to attract sees that Luna Classic is not dead. We're building, we're thriving, and we could potentially bring in new money in and grow the community and Oracle pool. And then burns, a native Lunc USD pair will generate tax volume, therefore Lunc burns. We still have that small burn tax. Increasing on-chain volume is going to burn more Luna Classic. So the meme coins that we're shilling through Terra Pump, Juris trading, Terra Casino, all this on-chain activity we should promote, guys, because this will burn Luna Classic. The execution plan, again, I think Frag has reached out to the major players in the Luna Classic chain. I do recommend you go watch this spaces that I did. It's quite long, but it goes into a lot more detail. We hear from Frag, we hear from key validators. So if you want to learn more about what's happening, go watch this video. At the end of this video, you go watch this. I'm bringing back live streams tomorrow. I will be doing a live stream, so turn on the notification button. We can look at the chats, we can talk. Whilst we're doing the spaces, I'll also be sharing screen and doing a live stream. The execution plan, again, I won't go into too much detail, but you can see 10 signers, 7 agreeing voting members to carry out a transaction. Frag is fully docked, so we know who Frag is. You can go check who Frag is. Solid proof KYC. You can see the key multi signers, and I think he's reached out to a lot of the most of the big players in the community. So I really support this. It's great to see, and you'll see people that usually don't get along are on here as well. So that is great to see people working together. So really exciting news for Luna Classic. Hopefully we can see more collaborations on not just on L1, also on L2. And we can bring Luna Classic back again, because we need some narratives, and DeFi on Luna Classic could be the narrative that we need. We still have other narratives, the USTC repeg stuff. I do just want to share this that I saw earlier on Twitter. Terra USD was on CNBC. So that is huge, guys. I was surprised to see this. And then again, maybe I'll retweet this. I saw this from Luna Classic DAO. So guys, people are still keeping an eye out for us. Is something happening? I know we said USTC is not a stable coin. It's like a more of a utility coin. We had to rebrand to still stay on Binance, but we still got the exposure. The Luna brand, the USTC is still there. If we can make something happen, in my opinion, it will be a new USTC coin that we launch, which is MiCA compliant. So it's not going to be decentralized. Hopefully Redline Ceramic team are working on this. As soon as I find some news, I will bring it for you. In my opinion, I think trying something out with EUTC or another smaller stablecoin might be the way forward to show that we have got a working protocol, a working method, and then tackle the big dog, which is the USTC. So as soon as I have some news, I'll bring it forward. I talked about this repeg in a lot of detail. Hopefully that makes sense. Juris, guys, I'm kind of repeating myself. I said that the next pump is going to be like we consolidate and then we break out once we have the testnet launch. That should be happening in the next 2 weeks. And with USDC, you could bring USDC on chain, could borrow, lend, and make money on your USDC. It's like staking your USDC that you can do on other chains. So really excited for this, guys. Watch this space. Dollar costing average, buying some Juris might be not financial advice, but might be a good idea. Obviously, I'm one of the co-founders of this project, the marketing guy for this project. So yes, I will support this. A lot of blood, effort, money has gone into this. So yes, if you want to support us, go buy some Juris. I think it will play a key part in making DeFi great again and Luna Classic come back. And guys, I don't know if it's just me being a bull hopium, but things are starting to click. We've got USDC on chain, potential USDC repeg. We've got DeFi protocols, Terraport, Juris, Selenium. Could we be on that bull run, guys? I think it's getting excited. Let's hope that it all comes together. Finally, some fun, guys. We have got our pump.fun. Lots of coins are pumping. So there's Blame and Rakov, which has already graduated. There's a trader Rocko coin as well. I want to touch on this, guys. Again, please just don't go aping. I am working on this, and well, maybe you should buy it. I've not tweeted about this as much, but I'm speaking to a AI company, a crypto company that I could potentially partner up and create like a trader Rocko bot, and Frag is supporting with that. We had a meeting yesterday, and guys, maybe I'll just keep this for YouTube Alpha. So we are almost 10 minutes into the video, so my loyal fans that are watching, I'm sharing some alpha with you. Maybe put a couple of $100 in this, guys. The only risk is someone else created this. I have bought some because they dumped on us. They not rug, but they dumped to 80%. and I have bought some, but I don't own a lot of supply, so there is that risk. But it could be a fully community owned Trader Rocko AI bot. So yeah, just some alpha. Go buy some Trader Rocko. Please don't buy more than a couple of $100, because you know it's a risky coin. But yeah, if we can get that Trader Rocko AI bot working, especially with the company that I'm talking about, they've got huge exposure. They've got one of the biggest, they've got a lot of the biggest influencers, marketers working with them. And yeah, it could bring a lot of eyes into Luna Classic, and also pump a Trader Rocko coin and a Ladyboy coin, I think. And so yeah, that's a bit of alpha. But yeah, go buy Rakov, Blame, use Terra Pump. You know, all this utility burns Luna Classic. So shout out to Terra Pump team. I've been helping them with the marketing. You know, go buy any coins, go create coins, go crazy. And I did say I was going to create a tutorial of creating a coin. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below, shall I push this coin? Shall I create a new coin that we can push together? In my opinion, I'm leaning towards you know, CTO this and then make it a community owned. I think it's got the clear, you know, the nice flavor. But yeah, I quite like this. Grumpy Catty, Peas, Baby Rakov, Blame, all these coins, go buy them, ape them. And yeah, if Luna Classic pumps, the Luna Classic price will go up. Some of these coins can get you those 1,000, 10,000 X returns. So gamble responsibly. I touched on these meme coin spaces. I'll be charting all these coins, sharing with you what I'm buying tomorrow. Spaces 4 p.m. to sign up for that. I think that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully I've covered all the news. Now let's finish off with technical analysis. And guys, before I talk about my analysis, does this look familiar? Does this look similar to what had happened previously? Could we do something similar again? Does it not look similar? We had that liquidation. Now we are consolidating. Could we do something like this, guys? I'm gonna just say that is what I'm looking at, and I hope this works. And I'd recommend you, I'll tag this video at the end of the video. Well, I'm tagging two videos, this technical analysis and sort of the longer spaces. I'd recommend you watch it whilst you're going to the gym, or you're driving, or you're working from home, and you listen it in the background. But yeah, so the two, to summarize my technical analysis, a lot depends on Bitcoin. And at the moment, guys, Bitcoin isn't looking super great. There is a chance that maybe Bitcoin has a bit of a sell-off. I am actually looking at potential shorting opportunity, not here. If we break this support levels that we've got, and more like this box, if we break this, and this is like below a weekly level as well, if we do something like this and then we break off, that could be a shorting opportunity. And I've partnered up with Weeks. I've got a holiday coming up. After that, guys, Trader Rocko will be back. I'll be doing those 1 to 10k challenges, live trades, and all that good stuff. But yeah, that could be a nice short setup in Bitcoin. And if we get that, I hope we don't, because I'm more just spot long. I'm not taking shorts. But yeah, that could be a shorting opportunity. And if Bitcoin does have a big sell-off, that will mean altcoins will get a sell-off as well, and we will potentially get to buy Bitcoin here. And that would be like a massive ape opportunity, guys. That's like an opportunity I shared here back in, you know, 2021, and you know, I literally bought the bottom here, all these levels. I think that's a buying opportunity like that. The bigger the market cap of Bitcoin grows, I think it's going to start trading more like a stock. And the way stocks trade is just quick bear markets and then up only. If you study the stock market since in the last, you know, 10 years or whatever, this is how the stock market has been trading. So I think Bitcoin could be close to trading like that, where we have sharp sell-offs and then up only. And you know, since that sell-off we've seen in 2007, crazy how early it was, we've just been up only. We've had few sell-offs, but it just gets bought back up really quickly. Could Bitcoin be going in that mood as well? And then the other thing is, Bitcoin could start trading like a safe haven. At the moment, again, I have tweeted about this. I'm not going to be able to find that tweet. But at the moment, Bitcoin is like a risk-on asset, like the SPX. But going forward, Bitcoin could potentially be trading like gold, like a safe haven asset, and just goes absolutely berserk up only. If that happens, guys, Bitcoin could be pumping a lot, and you should be buying a dip. Depending on which way, again, both the scenarios, I'm bullish on Bitcoin. But depending on how it plays out, it will depend where Luna Classic happens. So to summarize my thoughts on Luna Classic, if Bitcoin has that sell-off, I think we'll get another spike and then up only. So this is like the 6k bottom, and then we head up, you'll be able to buy some Luna Classic here. If not, if Bitcoin starts pumping from here, the bottom is in, I think we'll be repeating this. So those are the two scenarios. If you're trading, wait for this breakout and then look to trade, or try to buy the dip, you know, with some stink bids. That's how I'd be trading it. If you're bullish Luna Classic, especially with the DeFi stuff, I would just start dollar costing average and get a small bag of Luna Classic. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, guys, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you want to learn more about DeFi and Luna Classic, go listen to these spaces now.